A very warm welcome to Maksure Risk Solutions webcast. I've got with me here their Chief Operating Officer, Maksure. Mr. Knight, how are you doing? And please explain to the viewers what is it we are doing here today.
Well, firstly, welcome to me. This is our head office right here in Waterfall in Midrand, South Africa. We call it the Innovation Hub. There's a lot that we've been cooking. And why don't we go inside? We have to meet our Managing Director, Simba, and have a chat about where we're going.
That's a very good idea. Let's go right inside.
All right, thank you. Right along.
Thank you for joining us. I was speaking with Nat earlier on. He did explain that you guys will be elaborating more on innovation. Nat, will you take it away for us?
Thanks, Tumi, and thanks, Simba, for joining us. Very key, as we have said, that we are the Innovation Hub. We're also with one of our very exciting products that we're very proud of, that caters for diasporans that want to take care of their loved ones and their dependents in Africa. And let me not take much of your time. Let's go straight to see the video, and then we can delve into it afterwards.
100%.
Right, fantastic. Let me show you the first video here of diaspora meds. So basically, this is it.
Hello beautiful people, so it's me Molly here at Waterfall Point. Today I'm just catching up with Mr. Tapiwa Birima, the Managing Director of Diaspora Meds, the fastest growing medical insurance solution. And as you know, being miles away from home, a lot of Zimbabweans are worried about their loved ones back home in terms of medical, in terms of health service care. And Diaspora Meds here ensures they have peace of mind. So Tapiwa, what's the ethos of Diaspora Medical Insurance?
Okay, thank you very much for that, Molly. I think it's well known that more than 5 million Zimbabweans are living outside the country.
Yes.
And having migrated from the country, they are receiving the best of medical care from wherever they are across the world. Unfortunately, the same is not true for their loved ones back home, and this gives them sleepless nights.
Yes, okay.
We've come into the market to bridge the gap and try to mirror the service that they are receiving across the borders to give their loved ones the same service back home through the provision of a private medical care product that gives their loved ones up to $33,000 in medical care on a yearly basis.
Yeah, so this product is very unique, and even the strength of the project is anchored around the world-class partnerships that we have put together, as well as the service providers on the ground. Yeah.
In that light, we've put world-class partners around us to support the building of a world-class product. First and foremost, being yourselves, Maksure Risk Solutions, an Afro-global reinsurance broker. Yeah. We've also partnered with a significant insurance company, being our underwriter, Salmed, based in Zimbabwe.
Yeah, in Salmed is also reinsured by one of the biggest reinsurers in the world, which is Cigna Health. And also many thanks to COVID-19, because we have witnessed an average of 40% month-to-month growth rates in the advent of COVID-19. And also we did very well in making this project a global insurtech.
Very true on the COVID aspect. So basically you see that a lot of testimonies came out of the COVID pandemic, which is still ongoing anyway. You know, a lot of lives were saved through our medical insurance in terms of accessing beds and also accessing oxygen. That was very scarce. Onto what you've spoken about, which is a very critical element on our global insurtech. It's very important because we've become flexible. Flexibility and convenience is what we offer to our people, over and above the peace of mind. So we're very flexible in terms of our payment gateways and our payment mechanisms. People can basically pay from anywhere across the world.
So just to ask you about the payment gateways, do you accept any currencies in terms of payment?
Well, being a global brand, we have to. So what we basically do is that as long as the tradable, semi-tradable currency around the world, we have to accept the currency, because we have to be cognizant of the fact that our clients are in Australia, the UK, USA, in any country of the world, and even in Africa. So basically, as a global brand, one of the most things that we give from a convenience point of view is acceptability of any currency. Just to speak up as well about what you raised, being an insurtech, convenience and flexibility defines us. And in that regard, you find that we offer our digital platform offers an interaction between our stakeholders, from beneficiaries to sponsors, to our stakeholders, our reinsurers, our insurers as well, and also even us as a brand. So you find that we offer this digital platform. One of our greatest innovations has been coming up with an online doctor platform to avoid the whole congestion of the COVID and people going into hospitals, So that's part of what we're doing as an insurtech.
So what's next for you and Diaspora Meds in terms of the future, the expansion in the coverage of other countries?
Okay, that's an exciting question because, they say that charity begins at home. We want to match first world standards, and our clients should be testimony of the fact that we're offering world-class solutions to them from a medical point of view.
Yes.
That said, in a few weeks' time, we'll be announcing the expansion of our horizons into West African countries such as Ghana.
Well, that's great. All the best with what lies ahead. I wish you success as together we grow internationally.
So Simba, what's your observation on this particular video that's got to do with Diaspora Meds?
All right, thanks to me. I think it's a very exciting video and also a very exciting product. I think 3 key principles of innovation that comes out quite clearly and well articulated in this video. The first one there is about developing relevant products. Like you mentioned, we developed this product which was quite timely in terms of the COVID play, and people had a dire need of looking after their beloved back in their home countries, or Africans around the globe. So I think it actually met one of the key principles that we're quite proud of in terms of relevant products. The second one is the whole insurtech and the digital play around the product, which actually drives, the ability to be able to get into a lot of people across the world using technology. The third thing that actually comes there is the issue of globalization. I think in today's play, being assisted by technology, one needs to look at the global environment as one's market. Yeah.
So relevance and timing. Knight, what do you have to say about this video? What are your key points?
I think Simba couldn't have said it any better. I think a very key, one of also very key point is also that we also take from this product is the payment gateways that we see, the flexibility in terms of, which is obviously utilizing the technology that Simba mentioned. I want to say that, we found that from, the comfort of your house, whether you're using your phone, whether you're using your tablet, whether you're in your office, anywhere else that you can be, it is that flexibility that you're able to buy health cover for your beloved ones out there. So it's very key, as Simba said, very relevant in that particular way. Also that, maybe just to add, is that it's a product in terms of innovation that also resonates with who we are, the core fabric of who we are, like what we in Africa, the word we use is Ubuntu, where people in the diaspora want to look after their loved ones back home there in terms of healthcare. And that product really came in there to also plug into that particular need in the market. So very relevant, and very also that technology that you see that you can pay for this insurance just wherever you are. All you need is internet, register and pay, and then your loved ones are already on cover.
100%, I love it. We are going to move to my favorite product. Actually, I know you've innovated. You have you're part of your innovation on it, and that is the COMESA yellow card. Would you just show us a quick video on how you guys have tapped into innovation that's got to do with the COMESA yellow card distribution across Africa?
Just like you, to me, we're very excited about yellow card. Unbelievable, what a game changer on the market.
Introducing a new, faster, convenient and even cheaper way to buy your regional third-party insurance for traveling in the COMESA, Common Market for Eastern and Southern. The Maksure Yellow Card, designed for businesses and individuals who frequently cross the borders, tracking buses, regional parlors, malakas, expatriates and individuals. Our world-class tech solution allows you to buy your annual third-party insurance in the comfort of your offices, homes and cars by logging on to www.mupenzanamo.com. Our tech also allows you to pay for your yellow card through our secure payment gateway platform, or EFT. You can collect your yellow card certificate at our offices in Johannesburg or Tollgate office by the Musina border post. Our packages are flexible and you can buy from a 7-day package to an annual package. You can also buy for multiple countries including Zimbabwe, Zambia, Malawi, DRC, and all the COMESA countries. Claims are logged online and our professional and dedicated claims team will assist you in managing the claim in conjunction with the National Bureau in the country in which the loss would have occurred. The Maksure Yellow Card, a new, convenient, faster and cheaper way of buying your regional third-party insurance.
Oh, thank you so much for that video. I'm picking up efficiency, I'm picking up convenience. Will you explain a little bit more what this is about? What people can expect in terms of innovation?
Innovation, one of the things that are very key is also in terms of having one goal. So you look at different types of governments, as you've seen there, that have come up there, 16 governments, to develop a product that makes trade very easy among it. So very important that, you know, while when there's innovation, the whole, whether it's a company, it's what they need to buy into the vision. And once you've got that particular thing, once you've got that one particular goal, it's very easy for you to come up with a very innovative product, just like Yellow Card has done.
100%. And Simba, what do you have to say about it? What's your innovation from this video?
Alright, Chad, I think in the previous video for Diaspora Mates, we actually saw an issue of globalization. In this video, we see regionalization. So the 16 governments coming together and bringing bulk into this that has resulted in lower prices and more efficiency to the people. I think the digital play also plays quite a key role in this, that people, that brings the convenience that people can actually come and pay online and pick up their yellow cards, and then they can actually travel across the whole COMESA region, yeah?
Oh, that is very great, and we're going to move right into the next video as we continue to explore the innovation that Maksure Risk Solutions has implemented. Would you just show the next video that night?
Fantastic. All right. Okay, thanks to me. Let me show you the next video that also speaks to what we're doing. All right, so this is the video.
A great part of what we do here at Maksure Risk Solutions is to ensure that our clients face the least resistance. A great deal of effort goes into how we can help them innovate to stay relevant, adapt to change quickly, and most importantly, how they can grow rapidly. We have handpicked a network of insurers, reinsurers, administrators, and tech companies that are driving tremendous global digital insurance penetration from our global operations, including here in the UK. As an Afro-global insurance and reinsurance player, by combining our experience in developing and managing cutting-edge insurance products in emerging economies and our knowledge of first-world markets, we are in a privileged position to deploy reverse innovation and develop insurance products for African diasporans across the globe. We are in a unique position to serve emerging market corporates in Africa, the Middle East, and Asia, which require capacity in the London open market as well as capacity in Lloyd's. Our UK team is truly a gateway to our international markets. We have launched bespoke insurance products in the specialist areas of aviation, political risk, clinical trials, renewable energy, cyber liability, and marine insurance solutions. We do all this while striving to deliver the most effective digital distribution network and increase the appeal of innovative tech. The ultimate goal really is to give our clients unmatched customer experiences.
There was an amazing video the night. Simba, I'm seeing strategic positioning on this particular video. What's your observation?
Right, thanks to me. I think this video is quite unique in that it's different from the other videos that we've actually seen that are talking about the trends and what you need to do from an innovation point of view. One of the key things that it actually says is innovation is not easy, it's not an easy play. And for you to be successful in whatever insurance product that you're designing, you need to have the right partners. You also need to make sure that you've got people that have got the experience to actually help you walk through the journey, whether it's from a digitalization point of view, looking for strategic partners, and yeah, it really flashes out that Maksure Risk Solutions is a very good partner that can actually help you in terms of developing products across the world that are relevant to the clients that you're actually working on.
100%, and I can see you are assisting people to adopt quickly when it comes to innovation. Amazing. Knight, what do you have to say about this video? What's your key? What are your key points, rather?
I think it ties to what, from my angle, I think it ties to what Philip Kotler introduced in terms of the 4 Ps of marketing. You look at your product, how we are helping people to develop products that are very much relevant to their target market. So your product must be able to speak to the target market. Also, in terms of pricing itself, the price itself must speak. It is a very important factor in terms of having a great product in itself. So basically, you look at your processes, you look at people, but very important is that those are some of the things that you pick up that, in terms of innovation, that also helps you getting growth as an organization if innovation is part of your DNA or part of your culture as an organization.
100%, Knight. That was very informative. It was very educational. And I do understand that you gentlemen have also expanded your innovation in the freight forwarding industry. Am I correct?
Yeah.
So we are going to be taking a quick look at that, and then we'll just explain to the viewers just afterwards what that is about. Would you just quickly show us?
Definitely, to me, I think, like you rightly said, that we are not limited in an industry. I think we've been expanding and coming up with a lot of innovative products in many, and just the freight or marine industry is also one of them. There you go. Let's look at the video and discuss it.
Maksure Risk Solutions, partnering with freight forwarders to bring you convenient, affordable, and bundled goods in transit insurance.
Okay, great video there, Knight. That's an amazing video. Would you just want to give us your observation regarding this video?
Like you rightly said, being an innovation hub here, what you see there is a product, one of the products that have been developed, also probably like Diaspora Meds also speaks at people in the diaspora. But very key to look at is how the distribution of the insurance product is, just making sure that we're coming up with innovative ways of introducing new product, just as you have seen in the video there. But the insurance product there is also embedded within the product that they've just bought, moving away from the traditional way of having to go and look for an insurance company and probably look for a GIT cover or any other cover that could be there. So it's very important for us to develop products that are very key, but also innovative ways of also distributing insurance, as it were. So that's my take from that particular video.
Definitely, we are moving with the times. Simba, what's your key points on that one? What's your takeaway?
Right, I think the 2 key points there is, the first one is about point of sale. So Knight has mentioned it to say the way that you distribute insurance has to change. And in this video, we actually see how we've actually managed to innovate by also bringing partnership with freight forwarders with our goods in transit or marine policy, where one can actually bundle the insurance together with the goods that are being sent. So I think point of sale is going to be a thing for the future, and we believe that we are far ahead in terms of conversations that we're having with our clients and developing products in that manner.
100%, gentlemen. I think that was it. I picked up that, timing meshed with digitalization, met with technology. Amazing. It was informative. It was very, very educational. I do believe the viewers back home and the clients have learned and have taken home so much as I have. Thank you for your time, Knight. Thank you for your time. You as well, Simba, till we meet again. I don't know that you have a lot of products up your sleeve that you're still developing as you were speaking, since you are busy expanding your innovation globally and across almost every industry and every product. Am I correct? 100%. Until we meet next time, thank you for your time, gentlemen.
Thank you, Tony. Thank you for having us.
Thanks.